Serverless security is the set of practices, programs, and technologies that organizations deploy to protect serverless computing architecture. Traditional serverless security focused on log monitoring and static code analysis. The future will see a shift towards runtime protection, where security measures are implemented during the execution of serverless functions to detect and block threats in real time. As serverless architectures become more prevalent, there will be a greater emphasis on authentication and encryption to secure data and access. This includes implementing stronger identity verification methods and encrypting data both in transit and at rest. Developers will need to adopt secure coding practices to minimize vulnerabilities in serverless applications. This involves writing code that is resilient to attacks and regularly updating it to address new security threats. Effective logging and monitoring will be crucial for detecting and responding to security incidents. This includes tracking function invocations, monitoring for unusual activity, and setting up alerts for potential security breaches. The future of serverless security will involve proactive measures such as threat modeling, regular security assessments, and implementing automated security testing to identify and mitigate risks before they can be exploited. Security tools and practices will need to be integrated seamlessly with serverless platforms and other cloud services. This will enable a more holistic approach to security, ensuring that all components of the serverless environment are protected. New security trends, such as the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning for threat detection, will play a significant role in enhancing serverless security.